I have this amazing crypto trading strategy, and it goes like this. I wait for a bunch of people to tell me that they're like freaking out and they lost a bunch of money in crypto, and then I buy a bunch. Then on the opposite spectrum, when everybody's like, hoorah, Bitcoin's going to the moon, I'm going to be a billionaire, my portfolio's performing so well, that's when I sell. In the past 48 hours, my DM has completely exploded with people losing their mind about the price of every cryptocurrency. So in this video, we're gonna talk about it. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name's Artie, and this is The Moving Average, a show where we discuss everything day trading to keep you profitable on a consistent basis. Let's just get into the charts, and I'm going to show you what I'm seeing and what my potential outlooks are. So if you guys are in the Telegram group, you've already seen a screenshot of this. I was talking about this a few days ago because a lot of people were DMing me, and lately it's just been exploding. So basically, this is Bitcoin on a daily time frame. So we broke that trend line and came down to retest this big level here at $30,000. It consolidated in this range, and you can see this perfect head and shoulders pattern. This is the left shoulder, head, left shoulder. Now, most things when they have a head and shoulders pattern, if they break the neckline, then it tends to dump down. But because cryptocurrencies overall are on a massive uptrend, and you should usually be bullish on cryptocurrencies, because if you're not bullish on cryptocurrencies, that means you're bullish on the US dollar. And the things that I'm seeing in the US, I'm not bullish on the US dollar. So at the bottom of that right shoulder, from that point up to where we had our recent high was 132%. Deleting that, you can see we have a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. Now, if you zoom in really, really close, you can see right here, this is why everybody is losing it, because we have broken that neckline. Now, what I like to do when I see things like this and I see a break, I like to look at different assets in the same class. So the number 2 cryptocurrency is going to be Ethereum. Now, running the same analysis that I did on Bitcoin, you can see we still have a little ways to go down to reach this level of support. So as this goes down, so too will Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market. But once it gets to here, it should potentially reject. And hopefully at this level, we either get a single rejection, so one big candle rejecting off of it on a daily time frame. So you have to wait for the entire 24-hour candle to close. If not, then you should expect something like this, my bunch of wicks strategy. What I'm expecting is one big candle rejection, just a small break of that support level, and then one candle jetting up, because we've already had the bunch of candles right here. And if you guys recall the video that I discussed price action, we have a double bottom scenario lining up right now. Usually with the double bottoms, you get like this short little group of rejections, and then the next time it tests there, it has one sharp rejection. So a majority of my cryptocurrency portfolio is Ethereum. So the last big purchases that I did was right here at 2,700. And then when we had that massive wick down to the $3,200 level, as it started to come back up, I was buying in at 37, 4,000 in this area, assuming it would use this as its new level of support, seeing that wick. It did, however, create a new trend line, so I actually did buy up here at 3,200, and I have another buy order here at 2,600. And if you guys recall on my Telegram group, I actually placed a buy order at 41,000, and then I have another buy order for $30,000 if it does reach this level. I don't think that it will, but if it does, the profit margin on that trade is going to be amazing. In the last year, we have seen so much price fluctuation in Bitcoin that it's literally blowing my mind, because when everybody was losing their cool about Bitcoin, like really, really panicking, that was in March of 2020. Let me show you March of 2020 in comparison to this. It's this thing right here. That massive drop where it went from $10,000 all the way to $3,700, everybody lost their cool. And this is when I first started investing in cryptocurrencies. You can see this slow, monotonous climb up in comparison to what is happening right now. I mean, this is like insane volatility. But as of right now, we are in a downtrend. Previously, we saw that same downtrend right here. Once it broke that trend line, created the double bottom, rejected up, that was the 130% gain. This area now, even though it's massive, should be considered an area of consolidation. So I don't know how long it's going to stand in here, but basically it's got to break this trend line first and then break that level of support hopefully come back to retest it and then push up. But from this area to this area, you're looking at a very healthy profit, approximately 65% on Bitcoin and 73% on Ethereum. So a lot of you guys have been asking me which cryptocurrencies do I think are going to go up. Pretty much the entire market's on sale right now. So whatever the top cryptocurrencies are, see what the price gap is between what the price is now and its previous high point, and that's the percentage profit that you can expect. Of course, leverage trading right now is not smart because we are in a bearish movement, meaning that the price is being pushed down to a liquidity zone, and at that liquidity zone, the price can be pushed up. So just looking at Ethereum right here, what's your liquidity zone? Where is there nothing underneath except for buyers and or people cutting their losses? Right here. So that's why I'm expecting a small wick and a shoot up. All my available capital ready to go with buy orders in this zone as well as this zone on Bitcoin. Now, if you guys are looking at Chainlink, back up to the previous high point, 176%. If you're looking at SHIB, you're looking at 255%. If you're looking at Cardano, you're up 148%. Or if you're all about that Sol, 110%. Still rocking Dogecoin, 387%. A lot of people have been hyping XRP lately, but we're looking at 175% to its previous high. Elon Musk's dog Floki, 731%. I would totally put $100 on that just for fun. Polkadot, 140%. So basically, if you're looking to invest long-term in cryptocurrencies, anything in the top 20 is going to be amazing coming into the next year. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, XRP, which I don't like it. Polkadot, Dogecoin, Avalanche, Polygon, Shiba Inu, Cosmos, and Chainlink just dropped out of the top 20. So also this one is a good one to look at. Decentraland is on my radar, and I've definitely got some in my portfolio. I'm just kind of waiting to see who's going to take that top 2 positions in the whole metaverse crypto space. This is the other one that I'm looking at. Once you start getting into the back half of the top 100, this is where price can be skewed monumentally by the amount of marketing that they're doing. You can also sort this by which ones are trending. For example, these, Shiba Inu is at 11, which is nice. Polkadot, which is at 9, which is nice. Spooky Shiba, Mars Floki Inu, hype coins that have huge potential, but I'm more concerned with the long-term investments in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Literally just go on here and see what the all-time high of the top 20, top 50 coins are, and see which one has the most potential for percentage gain. And after you have done that, and you have set your buy orders in the ones that you want to invest in, go grab your snowboard or skis or sleds or ice skates, do whatever you want to do this winter, and fill your time with something that makes you smile. Because sitting and waiting and staring at these charts is going to do you no good. Look at support and resistance levels, enter in your buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, whatever you want to set it up as, and then just go do fun things. When price is tanking like this, there's going to be a liquidity grab. That's the last time I'm going to say it. They're waiting for a liquidity grab, and these people with millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars are going to jump in the market, and the price is going to spike. I don't know when that is. I'm not Nostradamus, but I am prepared by putting multiple orders in along the way, with the biggest ones at the price points that I do not think it's going to hit, but if it does, I'll be stoked. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like for the YouTube algorithm, and if you want to learn about day trading and drawing trend lines and support and resistance and entry prices with stop losses and take profits, check out my intermediate trading playlist where you can find a metric fuck ton of strategies right here. And if you're new here and you have not subscribed yet, just click that button. It'll make me really happy. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.